Hey guys, before we start today's video, I just want to say I was building a Lego set and then it just collapsed. So what I'm just building it again, and I have this so far, and I'm like, I might as well make a video on it. So that's what I did. So yeah, I guess that's what we'll do. It sucks too because I was so close to just having it done. And then it just broke. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna keep putting it down whenever I have something done, and then I'll just showcase it to you guys. Okay, so I need this chunky block to go here. See, that's what happens. I don't know how it happens, it just happens. Chunky block. Chunky block. So I already have this, those, and then I just put this. Wait, what? Oh no, wait, were these even supposed to? Yeah, it was. So is that gonna make it the same height? I believe it would. Oh, because it's supposed to go on all the way. Yeah, okay, I'm sorry, I just kind of forgot what I was doing there. This is going to go here. This is going to go here. This isn't supposed to go all the way, is it? Nope, it's just supposed to go to right here. Because then I have these pieces. This piece goes right here. This piece goes right beside it. Well, I believe this piece is just supposed to go on there like that. And then I have this piece, which goes like this. This is where it broke, so I gotta be extra careful this time. This is the part where it broke. After that, I have the wheels that I need to do, so. Okay. One wheel done. 2 wheels done. 3 wheels. 3 wheels done. And then a 4th wheel. The 4th wheel is supposed to go like that. Okay. So what I'm guessing what I would do now is I'm guessing you just have to Oh, there we go. Okay, there's 1. There's 2. There's 3, and I'll show you guys the result once I put on the 4th one. There's 4. So now it can move around. This long. This goes like this. Wait. Okay. I'm just having technical difficulties with this. Maybe this will go on like this. Okay, so that went on, but I don't know why this won't go on. Is this supposed to go on like this? Nope. Nope, it's not gonna go on apparently. That's why, I don't know why it's not going on. Nope, yeah, it's just not gonna go on for some reason. Oh, it clicked in for a second. Oh. There we go. Okay, I got it. Now I need to put the second piece on. There we go. That one was much easier to put on. And then where does it go? Does it just, you just put it on the side or something? I don't even know at this point. You just put it on like the side. Oh yeah, okay. So then I build this guy, which I don't even know where to start with building this guy. So I have his body here, 2 of his legs. What? I do not understand this. Does it go in like this? Okay, so once I put on this, I think I have to put on Watch out for Leo. You gonna go with them? I'm on the phone with him. I don't know how I would make this. Oh, wait. Oh, there we go. Okay. So, one of his hands are here. Where is the second arm? Second hand. Where were these supposed to go? Oh! Oh, okay. So this was supposed to go from here. Oh, so that's why it's not. Okay. That's how it's supposed to go on. But where was this thing supposed to go? I just put it on here, I guess. And then I'm guessing, just gonna guess that he's supposed to come with a second arm. Yeah, you're in the video. Brian, you're in the video. He's stuck inside. That's my mom, guys. I don't know why. The other hand went in so easily. I mean, the other arm went in so easily. Of course. Oh no! You don't let the cat eat it. Okay. It's so hard to put on for some reason. Dad, really? I told you he's making a video. Still on it? Yeah. You're the 4. He's talking to you. Oh my gosh. Like you said, it was a dad too. Well, guys, that's the Flores family for you. This won't. Now the leg of this guy won't go on. Okay, maybe this leg will go on. There we go. There we go. If only I had his other hand, but I don't know where it went. I poured everything out, so maybe it's over here somewhere. Well, that's okay. Here's the final result, guys. If you guys liked this unboxing video, drop a like, hit that subscribe button. If we can get to 275 subs, I will make another unboxing video, okay? So let's get this video to 50 likes, okay? See you guys in the next video.